Guys, to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, like and subscribe. And actually today we'll be learning how to edit like a pro on any of your social media account. Are you talking about YouTube here, TikTok or Facebook? So today you'll be learning how to edit like a pro. So first off, we have three basic apps you can actually use to edit your videos. One is InShot, the next is CapCut. So then the one I like and I prefer using the most, which I'm going to talking about here in this video, is KineMaster or KineMaster, whatever they pronounce that. So I can tell you, KineMaster by other review seems to be hard, complex, but I can tell you after learning how to use this app, you will be very pleased, and KineMaster will be the best app you ever learn how to use during editing. It has a lot of features, even if you are not using the pro version. So without wasting much time, let's go on to the video to learn. So now I'm going to open this app right now, and I'm going to be explaining every basic things we need to learn on KineMaster. So first off, you can actually get the premium version for their pricing and whatever. So you just click on it, then you actually get no watermark, no ad, unlimited premium assets, and also spring premium. So this one you'll be given a lot of other features there, but let me now start with the basic. So everything you have to do is to click on the create new. So now first is to enter your project name, projects for illustration. So next is to check the aspect ratio. So one thing about this aspect ratio is that it's actually telling you whatever platform you want to post this on. So the first one, 16:9, is for YouTube. The next one, 9:16, TikTok. Next one is for Instagram. Next is for maybe a video player or real player. This 3:4 can actually go for any real player. This is for Instagram, and the next one is for maybe a long video format. So now let's next. So I want to create one based on a YouTube channel. So I'm going to actually click on my create. So it's going to take you straight to this interface and asking you to insert media. So let me go to my recorded video on my channel. So I'll click on this one here. So now I have this video on my channel, so I've opened this video right now. Now let's look at the left hand side of our KineMaster app interface. So this button down here is to move to the ending, to take you back to the next stage or the next cutted version of that part, while this other reverse button to take you to the front. So let's leave that for now. This right here is to redo, while this here is to undo. So that's it. Now let's move to the main section, this circular part of the KineMaster. Here is your layer. So layer means to like add something, a text, a sticker, an effect, then also handwriting on the current video. So the video is not going to change, you will just add something on it. So now let's go with the first one, media. So here I can decide to add maybe a photo or a video, then everything will still like play. So now let me put this photo here, so and press the cancel. So you can see that I can actually like try to reduce the size, place it left, place it right, place it anywhere, or even increase the size or put it wherever I want to. So if I play it, this video is going to show for this duration, the picture, then it's actually going to stop. So let me stop this now. So then let me remove this by using our undo button. So you can see remove, and let me take it off finally. So press one more time, then it's off. So if I want to redo it back, I can just actually tap on it, and if I want to delete it fastly, I can just press the delete sign here. So the next thing is actually your effects. So effects are, how would I put this, things you can actually put on it. For example, I want to blur a certain part of this video. I'm going to click on the blur, so you can see that this section I'm placing this blur stuff on is actually going to go blur or blurry. So you can see this now. You can reduce the blur or whatever This one is Gaussian blur. If I use the mosaic might get it more blurrer than before, but having a box type, so you won't be able to see this. So in the aspect where you are typing a password or you don't want them to see that area, you can just actually use this blur effect on it, or whatever, shake or whatever. But how I got all these ones, that I got it from my store. Let me show you where you can get the store from. This store is this house image at this side of my video. So this is it here, this store here. So that's where you can get it from. Here you have to use your internet connection to download them. Not everything can be downloaded unless you are using the premium version, remember. So the next one is your sticker. You can also add stickers on your video. Actually nice. So let's skip that one. Let's go to our text first, then we talk about handwriting. So this is your text version. So I'm going to type very good. So okay, and after that it will just bring out this interface telling you about editing your text and everything. You can try to resize it to make it very big. You can change the font. You can actually see all your fonts in Android. Then I've already starred most of them as my favorites. So if I go to my favorites, I'm going to say this, and I prefer using Roboto bold, or depending on whatever video I'm trying to make. So again, I'm going to tick it. Then you see it's actually going to change. You can change the color instantly. Let me use yellow. You can also see other different color you can, or spectrum, or also the sliders. So I'll tick on these. Then the next is the in animation. What is the meaning of in animation? Is the way your video or text appears in while it's on display. So if I use my fade, it's going to fade in, or if I use my pop, it's just going to pop out, or whatever, yeah. So you can try anyone and check the one you prefer. So you can also use your out animation to determine how it's going to actually go out from the video. So I can use my scale down. So now let's play it now to view everything. So it slides in, then it's going to actually go down and disappear. So that's it, very nice. So let me take out my text and go to the next one. Your handwriting. So your handwriting, for example, you want to select out a particular place for them to notice this is what you are talking about. So you actually use your handwriting. Now I'm going to click on this pencil icon. Then you can actually pick the one you want. Is it the cancel, the brush, the line, or whatever? So for example, now I want to make this place observable. I'm going to actually tap on this one or my circular one on any one. Then this will determine the size of it. So if you use this, you will notice it's going to be a little bit irritating, not nice. So I redo this. So I'm going to use a smaller version of this. And you can actually change the color before you start it. So let me use somehow yellowish. Then I'm going to actually like draw it, so you can see that I'm selecting this area of something you have to look like. So let me redo this and use another type. So let me use the box one. Then you can see like this, or I can see let me use this. So I can use it to point out to these gems here, 47. So you can just use it to allow outline something that you want them to actually see. So now we have learned everything about the layer aspect. So let's go to your recording aspect. So your recording aspect is going to help you insert your voice on the video. So if I click on this recording, yeah, then you stop it. And after that, you can actually play this. Then you see that it's actually working. But now I'm doing a voice recording app, so my microphone is not working because I'm already using it. So the next thing to do is to tap on your video. Then you will see a lot of things actually showing up here. So the first thing is to replace, trim or split, or even slip. So if I want to break this video into different parts, I'll use my trim or split. The first is to trim right, or rather trim left. Once I'm trimming left, it's going to actually wipe out everything from that left. So if I split this, then I come here, then I tap on my trim left. You can see everything in my left area has gone away, then the right remains. So let me undo this and go back to trim right. So whatever is here is going to wipe off. So you can see that now. So that's how you can use to cut out a video part very, very fast instead of moving it like this. So the next thing to do is actually your split. So move this, then try to split that part into two. So when you are splitting, it's going to divide that section into two. Then you can put in transitions. So once I tap on this place here, I can get my transition and use any one I want to. So let me use this glitch. So let me play the video. You're going to actually see this. So after here, see, it's giving that glitch sign before it continues. So now let me undo all this stuff. Then let me teach you pan and zoom. So you can increase the speed, whatever. You can, the mixer is to drop the sound or increase everything. So if you want to drop your sound or increase it, you can actually use the mixer right there. So the next thing to do is to click on your palm and zoom. So the meaning of this pan and zoom is like to showcase a particular area. So first off, I'll click on start position. My start position is the position that my video is going to begin right in that pan and zoom. So I can decide to leave it like this. I want to show this place first. Then my end position is going to like where I want to end it. So let me just say I want to end it like this. So now if you play this now, you're going to notice this. It's actually going to zoom downwards. You can see this. So if I want to make it slide like this right area, I can also click on the pan and zoom, then do it like this, show here at first, then it's going to roll, then click on the end position and show here. So now watch how it's going to actually play. So watch it now. You're going to see that it's moving like this. Like now you can actually see this. So you can use this stuff to edit a lot of or part of video to make it look actually really, really smooth and nice. So also tap on your video again. You can actually see your filter, change your filter, background, everything else. Auto caption, you have to download a plugin to actually use this auto caption. So for the English is I think close to 500 MB, 430 something MB. So once you download and click on the generate, whatever you are saying will give you auto caption. Another app that can do that is CapCut. So CapCut to provide you with auto captions like lyrics on your video. So once you are done editing your video or whatever you are making, the next thing to do is to click on your right top corner this box here that has an arrow on it. So this, then how to like save your video, you have to use all this resolution, frame rate and whatever. So leave this on the most compatible for your video. The bitrate should be at least 2 mbps, that's 2 MB per second, so it can actually be a very, very smooth image and have a very, very clear image on your video. Then you can leave it to HD, full HD. Normal HD is 1080p. So if I scroll up, you can say 360p, whatever. And the more I'm increasing, the more the size is getting higher, and the more I'm decreasing, the size is. So make it look a little bit medium. So you can drag this here, leave this on 60 for frame rate to make your pictures or your image quality high, then increase this if you want a very clearer, but I would just advise to put it depending on the amount of data you want to use for your uploading, but do not use 360p because YouTube automatically will actually lower your video quality. So if you are actually lowering this, then let me just say you might just have, for some users, they might have the video playing at 180p, which is very, very blurry. So leaving this at 1080p is actually okay. Don't take it to 4K resolution or whatever, so just leave it like this. Then the next thing to do is to click as save as video. So here they will show you to actually sign up for KineMaster or KineMaster Premium. What you should do next, just click on your skip, then the video will start saving automatically. So why not just like and subscribe to my channel? Let me give you more tips you can actually use. Thank you.